Hello, boys and girls. Miss Justine here with the Lindenhurst Memorial Library, and I'm going to do a quick little tutorial on how to make a milk jug bird feeder. I know it's a bit of a tongue twister to say that, a bit of a mouthful. So once you pick up the kit from the library, you're going to see that you have a milk jug, okay? And we already cut out 2 holes for you, so you don't have to do that. And inside the milk jug is going to be a little baggie filled with some stickers and some leaves. Here, I'll open it for you so you guys can see. There's also going to be about 30 so of these little blue straws that have already been cut for you, some string, a little packet of some bug stickers, some foam stickers, and some shiny leaves. Okay, and you're also going to get another bag, and inside this little bag is going to be some bird seed. So what you're going to need from your own home to do this craft is you're going to need some glue, some Elmer's or whatever kind of glue you have at home, just some regular white, or even if you want to make it a color glue. And then you're going to need something to draw with. You can either use crayons, markers, pencils, or paint. I do suggest using crayons is probably the best thing. Markers might run. Paint's going to take a little longer to dry. But if you have the time, you're more than welcome to do whatever you want to draw with. So the first step I did here, I already started it because it takes a lot of time, is I took my straws, and what I did is I made it into kind of like a little thatch roof. So what I did is I just laid out, ooh, I didn't open up my glue, silly me, let me open up my glue. Okay, so what I did is I just put a ton of glue on the side of the milk jug, and then I just laid it down, and that's it. And I kind of just went all the way around. And if you feel like you don't want to do that with your sticks, you want to make maybe a fence, or you want to make something else on it, you're more than welcome to. All these little craft tools that we provided for is for your own interpretation. You don't have to make your milk jug bird feeder look exactly like mine. So then what I did next is then I just took my crayon, and I don't know if you could see, I'll bring it a little closer. I just colored a little leaf, and then I'll show you. So you take, I'm going to make some grass, so I'm going to color right on top. And you might have to press a little hard depending on your milk jug or what if you're painting or using your crayons. See? So then I'm going to continue to just do that all around to make some grass. And that's it. And then I put a little sticker there that said celebrate your world. Everybody has different stickers, so you're not all going to have the same, so that's what I'm saying. Your birdhouse can look totally different than yours and mine, and I would love to see everybody's when they're done. And then I'm just going to put some stickers. Just put some stickers around. See, some little stickers. And then I'm going to explain these. So these little, I guess you want to call them gemstones, but flower gemstones maybe, are a bit heavy, so they're going to require a lot of glue. My advice is that you do this last, okay? So what you're going to do is same thing. You're just going to put a ton of glue, and then you're going to stick it on and press it on. And I would hold your finger there for maybe about a minute and then leave it alone and let it dry. So that, if you're going to put those on your bird feeder, these little gem flowers, I would make sure you do them last. I'm having a hard time picking them up. So that's that. So once you're done decorating your bird feeder however you want to decorate it, you can add stuff from home. So if you have some glitter, or if you want to add some different stickers, or anything you have at home. Maybe you have some old craft stuff, like you want to make like a Play-Doh thing, you want to add little people to it. Just be mindful that Elmer's glue might not be as heavy to hold stuff, so you might have to use, with parents' help, maybe a hot glue gun, but it is plastic, so be careful, you might melt the milk jug. So with the string, if you want, you can use to decorate it, but the reason why I put the string in is so you can hang it. So you're going to loop it, let's put it to the side, so you're going to loop your string through, and then you're going to tie it, or however long or short you want to tie it, depending if you want to hang it from a tall branch or a low branch. So this is totally up to you. So you're just going to tie it and add a knot. And then you just have a string so you can hang your bird feeder when you're ready. If you don't want to hang it, maybe you have like a little table in your backyard or something, you want to set it on the table, then you can watch the birds come in and eat. And our last step is you're going to put the bird seed right on the bottom, okay? And you can put as much as you want in there. You want to put a little bit, save some for next time, put the whole thing, you're more than welcome to. And that's it. That's our bird jug feeder. I hope you guys had a great time watching this tutorial. Please stay tuned for other make and take crafts that we're having throughout this series. And also, very important, please send us pictures of your crafts. We'd love to see them. You might actually see them on our Facebook or our Instagram page. And to send them, you got to send them to information@lindenhurstlibrary.org. Again, that is information@lindenhurstlibrary.org. And just make sure you put in the subject heading that what craft it is. So if you're doing the Milk Jug Bird Feeder, just put Milk Jug Bird Feeder, put your picture there, and who knows, you might be seeing it on our social media sites. Thank you guys for joining me. See you soon.